Welcome J Squad, it's your boy G and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Alright guys, so today in Jamaica, it's general election. Yes, you've been seeing it on the all socials for a period of time now. Well, today is the day. And as some people in Jamaica classify it, today is National Sports Day. Because everybody out there, they're in their designated colors. Whether they are in blue, some of them are in orange, some of them are in green, and in some cases, in some places as well, we see them also in purple. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick glimpse of what is going on over here in my area of Eastern St. Thomas, and you guys can drop your comments down in the comment section. It's always good to be a part of the JZ's family because we show you a diverse amount of different things that are happening here in Jamaica, cultural things, educational things, as well as lifestyle information. So guess what guys, stick and stay, like and subscribe, comment and share, join the JZ's family. So join me on the next side guys, let's go.
Come take a journey across the sea to the land of sunshine, culture and history. Jay says 87.6, it's the place to be when we uncover Jamaica's legacy.
So right now as is guys, we are actually in the Hampton Court area. We're in the Hampton Court area over here in St. Thomas. Voting seems a little bit quiet today. But persons are in their designated colors as well, as mentioned, and my job is to just give you guys the heads up as to what is going on. So let's go, travel with me guys. It's always good to have you here with me. So as you can see guys, right across the different communities over here, it is quite diverse. Some persons are in support of the People's National Party, some persons are in support of the Jamaica Labour Party, but whichever way, whichever way. At the end of the day, we are one Jamaica, and that is enough to be celebratory about. So I said before, things are a little bit quiet today. Things are a little bit on the quiet side today. One of the main reasons why I think it's like this though guys is because a lot of persons are at the polling station or in the vicinity of the polling stations in and around the area. While on that topic too guys, look on the roads. Wow. Some time ago we never had this, so for me personally I just love Jamaica, and whatever is happening, if one side is doing it and it's working for the country, then that's what I'm supporting, So if anything, God gets my vote, because our song says, Eternal Father bless our land, guide us with our mighty hand. So you don't know. It's all about Jamaica right here. So we're voting for Jamaica guys. Whether it is that we are supporting one party or another, we are supporting our country, Jamaica. The support that we have for our country. Some people call it camaraderie, some people call it loyalty, and otherwise people have their own specific names to refer to it, but I strongly believe in loving our country to the fullest. So now guys, we're approaching the area called Dalvey. So I'm just giving you guys a drive-through as promised, so we're approaching Dalvey now. Hey, what's up? Alright guys, so we're in the Dalvey area right now. Just giving you guys a quick run through, or should I say a quick drive through. So we're gonna go down a road called Bottom Road, and then I'm gonna come around School Road, and then we're gonna head back out of Dalvey. Alright. guys, so we're on School Road now. And this area is also considered as another polling station. So I'm just showing you guys as we go. Man doesn't respect no laws. There man, there. Salute, salute, salute. Hey, what's up? So guys, this is a Dalvey division. Right here, guys, is another polling station in the Dalvey division. Yeah. And if you remember, I said something about the blue guys. So the independent candidate is blue. So, tell me now, what are your thoughts in regards to election 2025?
You know, so we're going on good, especially in this speedy road here, speedy 25 B.
Yeah, yeah.
We're going on good.
Alright.
JLB side. I tell you, man, you know, it's going on well. You know?
Well, we're trying to keep it as neutral as possible, you know, so, you know, I'm glad to hear that it is peaceful.
Yeah, but it's peaceful, man. People understand, and, you know, it's not like first time. People nowadays.
Right, and so far it seems like a lot of persons are just having fun out there, so
yes.
I like to see that.
Yeah,
yeah, man. Alright.
Yeah, man.
You have anybody you don't like to shout out?
Well, the Prime Minister. Well, that's what the Prime Minister, you know. The Prime Minister won't have shout out.
Alright.
Because
I'm Minister Charles.
You know, I'm Minister Charles. Them are the one where we had, you know, we are talking about the right now. We didn't want to shout out on the family. The Minister Charles.
Yes.
And the Prime Minister.
Alright.
They are the one.
Alright.
You know?
Well, alright then. We're still
man.
Tried it on the road,
Yeah,
so.
man. Yes, Mr. Jones.
Yeah, man. Blessings.
Yeah, man.
Hey! I'm just gonna give you guys a quick run through as well. I'm gonna go down into Hampton Courts and see how things are going down that side, guys. Hi, how you doing? Yeah, guys, so the voting is taking time and trickling in, you know, it's not fast paced, you don't have a lot of crowds, and so on and so forth.
Yeah, I don't video the place.
Yeah.
Should have one sticker this one.
Me have one, but me not put it on. YouTube channel, man.
I look to you.
Why?
Sticky.
No, not really so sticky now. It kind of look balanced. Like,
Missy PNP come out so do. Nah lie.
yeah.
First from me I vote in a urge.
Just the PNP.
Yeah.
But the two sides, Mr. Really.
Yeah, they're enough man, they're enough labor. It's gonna be a
Very close
it's something, you know.
That's exactly what I was saying a while ago on the live a while ago. Well, not a live, on the video a while ago. That it's going to be a close election.
Yes. It predicts already.
But a lot of persons are coming out. And for me personally, it no matter if a orange or green or blue, as long as good is taking place in the community,
Right.
I'm good. You understand what I mean?
Right.
Because at the end of the day, we are what?
We're one. We're one.
Jamaica. So
You road with them mad people to your garden junk, you know. Most of them people are drink, you know.
that is it.
And we have to be keep blowing your grow the color then because it's too deep a bush or something.
Yeah.
Why don't you build it take too long for your yard, you should have clean up before election, you know.
True.
I know you're so narrow.
So from your perspective though, what are your thoughts? How you think?
We don't want sound bias, you know.
Yeah, try not to sound biased.
Right. He's a socialist, tell you the truth.
Right.
But the two sides are going.
Right.
That is just fear.
Right.
The Liberal then come out fair enough, and the PFP then come out enough. So that's why I know it's going to be a tight election.
And in regards to like the development in the parish, like how
The
set
road?
up stuff, road and everything, how you feel? Be honest.
The road are going, you know. It's better than what it stay.
Better.
100%. I'm not gonna lie.
That's
I'm not
how
gonna
feel.
lie. Yes, I'm not.
I split justice.
Yes.
And that is the reason why I say a while ago, if one side I do something, they'll big them up.
Yes.
You understand? And I can safely say, because I drive on the road, that the roads them, particularly,
Yes.
much better than what they used to be.
Everybody see PFP and Liberal know that.
Yeah.
I don't think the road something should have involved in a politics.
But people put it tonight all the time as well. You see, that's exactly what you just said a while ago. People have a tendency to talk about what the other person is not doing or what the other person is doing.
Fear of fear.
Fear of fear. To make everybody look bad. But
the road are fixed.
Yeah, in
And
reality,
we need it.
We need it. Exactly. We need it.
Because me I tell you, say, it used to take us so long to figure out how. And now we need twinkle of an eye.
2 hours. I know it take you like
45 minutes.
It's true. It's true. Because I remember earlier when somebody said I got told, you have to schedule yourself.
Yeah, me used to have to leave out by the 5 o'clock bus to reach work by certain hours.
Yeah.
Now me can leave out 7 o'clock and me reach work by 9:30.
Exactly. So
I remember say me I leave from here so me catch the like a straight bus me take again.
exactly. Well, I don't know about nobody else, but I'm glad to walk on. I mean, I like it. And I just hope that today just remain one of them kind of days that we just
Calm.
peaceful and calm.
Me don't want the war at all.
Yeah.
Something else I do.
Alright, do the maths then.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man, blessed love.
Drive safe too, you know.
Will do. I'll go in here now still. Yes, I'm gonna put it down. Just pick up your side, that's all I tell you. Pick up your side. Alright, my boss. Said before, guys, election is in the air. And trust me, it tense, but not in a negative way.
Everybody here, brother. So I see me here live now. Everybody else. So me don't know where you are saying.
So where that structure is that?
Structure.
Structure?
Yeah. My structure is. Nah, man, house. I'm building a building.
Anyway, the man is green and they want me something. So, hey boy, and I'm going to stop at here. I'm going to walk up to him and I'm going to say, oh, call me boy, my name is Roy.
Yeah.
Man.
Hey, Roy.
Big black man, I'm going to ride. Close to lunchtime and I'm going. And I lunch up and say, I'm going to the man and say, this guy, black guy. And the man I'm going to tell me, see the big black guy really. Call him boy and say, call me Roy Bella.
You know, say the other day by you. Me I go out the road this way, man. And some man depend. Water man. Plumber man. Me say, yo, no put some respect for my name. Man. Because you see, you no respect mankind. Why? You no respect mankind. What if you call me Waterman? No. Well, look here. Look here. Call me again. 409-5475. If you want a man, you get it. Yes, but no man can call me so. Come no want no man.
So, you're not nobody that want big up right now?
Yes, you know.
Alright, go on.
I'm my father over cemetery. I'm my brother over cemetery.
Your mother over there too?
You spit it out?
No, actually, I know your story.
You know my story.
Yeah, I know that part there.
You know that part there? Yeah. Yes, I want to big up my dead mother. I want to big up my dead father. I want to big up my dead family them.
Yes.
And my dead brother too. One of them the dream on night and say milk on the down there so I forward. I tell them say me soon forward. You understand? So after them I call me now Waterman. I say no. Then say plumber man, I say no. Then say pipe man, I say put some respect for my name. I'm a plumber. What me say?
I'm a plumber.
I'm a plumber.
Come here for repeat what you say. You say what you say, so me have to just.
No, if you didn't say that, me lack off that.
No, I know that, because you're the plumber.
Yes, I'm a plumber. No. Yeah. I supposed to let her and go plumb her man.
that would be a bad thing.
Yeah, he's a plumber. I'm a plumber.
Yeah,
so me tell them, say no, me no under just plumber. I'm a plumber, I'm a piper, I'm a painter, I'm a lover, I'm a builder. Listen, it's all about her.
It's all about her.
You smoker, but you don't.
All right.
I'm not gonna say.
No, all right. All right.
You're not a good eater.
No, I don't eat her.
No.
I don't eat her, I don't lick her, and I don't bite her.
And you don't fight her.
No, I love her.
Love her.
Yes, you know, she's my wife. That her there that I'm speaking about, she's my wife.
That is it.
Yes, so I build her. Yeah, and I care her.
That is
it's
it.
all about her.
All about her.
Sometimes I even go to the airport and collect her.
That is it.
Yeah,
That is it.
yeah, that's it.
Alright guys, so we're back in the Stokesall community. And as you can see, things are picking up. Things are picking up.
Alright, we know. I'm going to do it a long time, Oh, there we go, Long time.
Come join the party, reggae music's bright. Culture rich, we stand so tall. Let's come together, one and